Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create Mercor AI account. Okay, so yeah, if you want to start working with Mercor, you just have to create your account. So just go to the website, just type out mercor.com, and on the sign in page, you'll see two ways to register. So I'm just going to select the login option. All right, and then here we can sign up using our email address or continue with Google. So I'm just going to use my Google account. Okay, so just select your Google account and then tap on continue. Okay, so after that, Mercor uses password-less authentication, so you won't need to create a password. So instead, they'll send a verification link to your email every time you sign in. Okay, so as you can see right here, the country that are allowed to use the Mercor AI, you can see that right here. So let us try to search for Philippines. Okay, so our account is eligible. And then after that, just have to type right here, phone number. Okay, and then you can choose to where you want to receive your code. 53 and then 005. And then after that, just wait and then tap on next. All right, so here you can add your links, your link and URL, portfolio, and other links. Then after that, you just have to proceed to next section. Okay, so once you're done, your profile is complete. You just have to explore or browse the available rules, and then you can search for jobs and then match your background such as AI writing, coding, mathematics, science, healthcare, finance, marketing, or language related projects. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.